rabbit.
All I'm saying is if I get shot in here. Oh. I reckon this game we all call our heads like Speedy does.
What that? Hit! Well, someone actually told... Hit! Well, someone told me I wasn't shouting it loud enough, so I went louder. Even though I'm the loudest person in fucking Britain.
You're not, are you, man?
Well, everyone seems to think I am, so...
No, it was Swoop's reaction. He's like, I can always hear you.
Yeah, he says you're louder than me.
Yeah, but Ben makes a flank. I hear, good shot, boys! And I'm like, right, Ben's dying, walking to spawn. I've got about 30 seconds to do something.
I always walk back to save my energy.
The funny thing was, he shouted June, he was nowhere near.
Ten seconds!
You better be. Right, game on its second spawn.
Alright? There, man!
You win it?
Yes! Sorry, mate. Go on, Chris. Watch the time as we go, boys. Sorry, Chris, sorry. Hey, nice shot. Dead man. Yeah, but we're going to die pretty quick, so...
I have a good idea.
I'm going to try and wipe some of them out, then grab the lights, that's what I always do.
What I want to do is just get a distraction, then the main person actually grabs it.
Well, like I said, what I like to do is wipe them all out first, try and wipe them out as quick as we can, then grab a light. I'm going to go, I'll try 3, Luke. Unlucky, mate, unlucky. Unlucky. Hey! Zaman, zaman! 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 Sound. Take it to archway 2. That's what it's all about, you've got to get in the thick of it. Yeah, man. I've got ball there, spawn. I've got ball there, spawn. I'll try one, Lance. Cassius, well done. I got ball there spawn earlier, Chris. I got ball there spawn earlier. Good man, well done. What the fuck was that?
We're down to over halfway, both sides, isn't it?
Yeah. Their defending is pretty shit. Come on! Come on! Come on! Stop fucking about! Come on, keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Come on! Come on! Okay, Luke, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just getting shot at everybody else.
Buy some gloves. You are?
This isn't all the ball, okay?
No, it's just my normal walk. I always do it to conserve some energy. Because I find when I run back and then when I run out, so I've got no energy left.
Yeah. I'm just forever chasing my breath. I'm like, get through to it, get through to it. Right.
Should we try one, Chris? Come on, Luke, come on! Coming through, boys, coming through!
When you get past this here on that left corner,
Same.
about 4 of them stacked up. There's one in this window and 4 on this left corner. There's one over there.
Ah! You're dead, you're dead. Conceive your ammo, bud. I'm coming, lads, I'm coming. I'll try one. Sweet. I know which way you went, don't worry. We've got our boards through, I'll try one.
I know, because I fucking done it. There's
Yo,
there's
let's go, I'll try 2.
there's a little hole in this grass. Yeah.
Yeah, no, there's a light out of there. That was close, that was close. Dead man, dead man! Dead man! Woo! I want to bring the sprawn forward, I'm a bit surprised. The top of the stairs? Sound. If you're dead, mate, you're dead. You can't talk, alright?
No, he blew on there, he took the hit.
Oh, Stan.
Yeah, far side there.
Got him. I see him, I see him. Ah! He got me, he got me. How many have we got?
Two that were waiting behind a big good. I fucking got them both.
Come on, literally right around there. Oh. Oh, fucking hell.